Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn how to calculate the area of a sector. A sector is just a section of a circle that begins from the center of the circle. For example, the part that I'm going to shade here is called a sector, and this part is also the sector. The bigger one is referred to as a major sector, and the smaller part is known as a minor sector. Now, a sector usually subtends an angle right at the center. Let's call angle subtended by the minor sector theta, and then the other one, let's call it beta. In order to calculate the area of a sector, what we're going to have is a fraction of the whole of the circle. So the area of the circle is obtained as pi r squared, and therefore we're going to get just a fraction, which is given by theta over 360. That is considering the minor sector. So theta over 360 times pi r squared. We may also decide to calculate the area when theta is given in radians. And if theta is given in radians, then the area becomes a half times theta in radians times r squared. I want us to see how we can use this formula here to calculate the area of a sector. For example, let theta be 60 degrees and the radius be 3.5 centimeters. For this first formula, we can say area is equal to 60 over 360 times pi times 3.5 squared. And when you work out this from my calculator, I'm able to get 6 and 5 over 12 square centimeters. And how about if we have the angle in radians? Let's have theta in radians. We'll have that by simply converting 60 into radians. So 60 degrees we multiply by pi over 180. That should give us the angle in radians. Remember, if you want to convert it back into degrees, you simply multiply by the reciprocal of this part. That is 180 over pi. So this simplifies to pi over 3. Well, with that, we can therefore say that the area is a half times pi over 3. Remember, pi remains to be 22 over 7. And then we multiply by the radius squared, 3.5 squared. That should give us the same result as we had earlier on, and that is 6 and 5 over 12 square centimeters. And that is how we calculate the area of a sector, be it a major sector or a minor sector, just as we'd seen earlier on. So that is it for this question. Thank you for watching. See you next time.